Avocado ba siya? No, it's not avocado. It's round. Pero parang avocado nga. Puno naman. Galing. Or in Baguio. Just for overnight stay. Went down. Casa Vallejo. Yes. Casa Vallejo. Waiting for check-in. North Haven, Casa Vallejo. And there's Baguio Cathedral. And of course, Session Road. And SM sa taas. Iconic tower ng Rotonda. There's a Baguio Cathedral.
Malayo sila. Dito sila.
Pwede, gusto mo. Kaso baka busy sila. Here, Session Road, and to my favorite spot sa Ukay. Tea House. Yung tea house yung may chocolate cake. I got this. 3,000 daw sabi ni ate.
3,500.
Here sa Shusaka. Like and follow their page daw. Iba-vlog ko na nga lang.
Ay, vlogger kasi.
Yeah. Pero di ka
kaya pala
naman
familiar to.
Nanood ka ba ng Lolong or yung It's a good deal na rin. Good deal na yung 3,000.
3,500.
Ay, 3,500 ba? Kasi ating nililito ako kanina pa
Nililit mo din kasi ako, sir
Kanina mo pa ako nililito That's nice. Shusaka. I'm having my first bingo here. Gutom na ako, it's 2 PM. Because of sanay sa palengke yung lalo. So, Session Road. Street performance. Put some kaya nandalin. Mula anytime soon. Early dinner. This is Casa Vallejo at night. Oh, beautiful. Hill station.
Bigay ko lang po yung Sir Alfred.
We had dinner already with Ate early in Navy. Nakatamad mo bukas. It's raining. Pero check natin yung night market. It's the lobby of Casa Badia. It's 19 ano sa ulan. Nakatamad. So ulan. It's raining. Nag-set up yung night market o covered sila. Saka let's do this. Laban. Tuloy lang. Mabilisan lang to. Tignan natin. Ganun dito yung suko natin. Maraban. Sorry. Good morning, ciao. Nakamas na ako. Naka-jog na ako. From 4 AM to 5, mas than 5. And then here I am back. So, I didn't bring my phone kasi langaning oras. Baka mamaya mas mapaginitan tayo. So, third procedure. Walking muna tayo. Sobrang lapit ng hotel namin sa session. It's a very nice location. It is strategic and Baguio Cathedral is there. Nagmas na ako kanina but in Ilonggo. Pero okay naman. Sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi. Hindi naman malakas but then okay naman pala. Sobrang lakas. Sakto lang kaso not good for shopping. Ukay, sayang naman. Magwawa din yung mga businesses kasi affected sila ng ulan. Bokya din tayo. Wala akong nabili. Then I went home agad. Went back to the hotel. At tulog na ako ng 10. Our mission today, find another good buy. Sobrang happy ako dun sa good buy ko kahapon kasi good deal. Done deal. Okay, moments. Daming tao sa Baguio. Sa SM kahapon. Kasi tsaka yung pila ng taxi, grabe. Buti na lang walking distance talaga yung nakuha natin place. No need to drive, no need to take a cab. Just walk. And hindi ganun kalayo. Yung December natin. Tatawanin ka ng bumaba ulit. Nakakit ka na. At this one, perfect. Okay din yung tulog natin diretso. From 10:30 to 4 AM. Sin no CR breaks. Sa post office ba? Sana ganito lang muna weather until later. Kalas tayo. We had the fun. We had fun time natin. Sila early. Coffee pa sana nakain ka sa katamaran na. Maybe later. And had coffee there sa Dunkin' Donuts there before getting the bus. Kaya saan tayo punta? Walking lang tayo. Let's see what we can find. Leave your solitude of Portobalo. Hindi ko alam ba't open ang session road yan. It's a Sunday. Normally, they would close this for Sundays kasi for tourists. And they have activities here like bazaar, performers, hours. But today, weird. Maybe tapos ang summer. I remember nung Christmas time, nagsimbang gabi tayo. And then I went to Wright Park to buy flowers. Pasensya na naman. And then I went back here, waited for the ukay to open. I remember. That's the famous steps going to the Baguio Cathedral. Session Road on a Sunday morning. I'll try to go to the market. No? Let's see what we can find there. Ang funny nung bento. Kasi tao po. Wala pong tao dyan. Nandito po ako, sabi niya. Totoo naman. Natutuwa ako dito kasi they always follow this path. And we're just here in the Philippines. Bakit sa Manila hindi natin masyadong magawa? Ay, nako. Hindi ba pwedeng lahat na, hindi yung selected lang, selective ang ating pag-follow sa mga traffic rules, sa lahat ang rules in general. Kaya mag-rant na Sunday morning, so okay lang, chill lang tayo. Frustrate lang minsan. And there's this new hotel, City Center Hotel. Well, it's not actually new, but I think, yeah. But I really stay there minsan sa dito. Tapos change cafe nila kuya na favorite. So from there, that's the way going to Burnham Park. And dun din yung night market kagabi. Let's cross here so we can go to the market. O diba? I always follow. Kahit ako. And they would stop always. I see the cars pag alam nilang may tatawid at may tumatawid. At sa Manila hindi. Nakapag-stay na tayo sa 456 hotel na yan. It's an old hotel. Yung Venice nga doon, meron na pala doon. Sa baba yung Venice, alam ko eh. Pines Arcade. James Ride. They have minsan ito. Mga sale na breads. Kaya mga sila kulit si ate. Gising na rin yan. Mag-walking na rin yung mga yan. Cinnamon Bake Shop. There's another Don Enrico's here. There's Chowking. 5 PM yung bus natin. Venice. Oh, there's Venice Session. Venice Hotel. Yun yung old Venice. This is the park. Cafagway, Malcolm Square, Shannon Street, Magsaysay Avenue. Going to the public market there. This is parang amphitheater, I call lala. 8 steps here. Zambang. Yung mga benches nila yun na. And that's some market. Sige, let's try to go there. Let's go there. You know what, even sa footbridge, they have sections and they follow. Most of them. Kasi here, there's a line, right? So going up is right. Going left side is going down. As simple as that. Here, diba? Right, then left. This is a market, though. They're organized. The taxi cabs. There you go. Hindi sila maguna. Takot din sila. And hindi naman, it's not the fear. It's your will to follow. Diba? Just have that. Baguio City Market. Because they respect their leaders, the mayor. So they live in harmony. I saw some plants, but no plants this time. I won't buy more plants. There is a market. Diba? They follow. And some more pasalubong, but I'm not buying also. Because we're not driving. Just have a small bag. Check lang natin kung ano mga dito. Mga different types ng pasalubong. Walis. Would have to bring that. Dati, hindi ka galing Baguio kung wala kang dalang may walis. Walis tambo. And mga gulay. But then fruits. Alam mo na. Check ko lang yung rice actually. Adlay. Check ko magkano. Ayun mga walis oh. Strawberries of course. Bawang. Yung rice kasi na dun sa dulo. Masado na rin natin kasi avocado. Ayan mga walis. Walis. Here, tignan natin. Balatino, malakit, sinandong, yung black rice, 100. Dog rice. Brown rice, black, 100, Balatino. Yellow, purple. 60. Balatino. I don't know what's Balatino is. But Thailand na. Sa 49 joke. Haponica ang 60. Pili tayo. Cuevas. This is sikat also. Ayun yung market niya. Diba? Tsaka ang gandang tignan ng market nila. Ang bilis. Cuevas. Nationwide ko lang Cuevas. Meron pa ibang goods. Kaya pa na meron doon. Ito yung meat section and seafood. At dito yung mga ibang merchandise goods. Pero I'm not supposed to eat too much carbohydrates. Pero sige. Konti. Yung mais. Kasi ito mais. Oo nga no. Yung rice per kilo mais. So this is usually from India. Basmati organic, It's a pounded rice. Ito ba yung Ifugao rice?
Yang sir, black.
Black. Magkano yung ganito?
300 po.
Meron bang konti lang yan? Wala. 1 kilo ako ng mais. May dog rice pa. Parang binatog. Ang dagdag. 120. I got 1 kilo. May pink rice na chicken natin. Check natin kung ano yung rice coffee. Nabagyo na naman. I love rice coffee with malunggay pa. Cordillera rice. I have pink rice. And they just called it pink rice, but it's brown rice. No? Product of the Philippines. I think I'm trying this. Four in one, but 4 in 1. So I got purple rice, rice coffee, and then yung corn rice. Marami ng tao, balik na tayo. Happy na ako dito sa healthy products. Ay, naka 100 for the rice, purple rice, 120 for the corn, 110 for the rice coffee. May change pa tayong 10. Then may pinalimos na lang natin. So, buti na lang instead ng pinambili pa natin ng eco bag. So, now we're going back. Session Road na tayo. Wala talagang ganap dito sa Session Road ngayon. Kasi, for the hell rainy season. Ito, famous yung Luis's Cafe na. They have good, authentic Chinese, and the rumors it's famous na nito bar for artists of different sort, performers, painters, writers. Close pa ang Ukay area. So balik mo tayong hotel, we'll have breakfast and then I'll go back here. Unfinished business pa tayo dyan. Unfinished business. Wala. So go back there by 9. Pabalik na tayo. May ka dito sa bakit ko yung ibang goods natin. And good news. Na 5 kilometers na tayo dito. So medyo matagal-tagal habaan na walking ka. Session Road. Going up. So dito yung pedestrian crossing going here. May logic na malaki. So kama okay na to follow. Technically hindi pa kasi yung mga ibang taxis ganyan. Pag natapat tayo here. Tayo maglakad kasi walang walkway dun sa baba. Parang sa parking. lane. So, ito yung hotel natin. Mamaya, natal tayo dyan. Siyempre, ikaw as pedestrian, dapat din naman sensitive ka. Pagka mong alanganin na yung ano ng sasakyan, don't risk it. Respect lang naman. Respect is respect. Tama ba yun? Ay, energy na ako aga-aga. Mamaya lupat na ako agad. Kasi sayang yung araw. Gusto na kayo sulit. Katulad yan, let it pass. Kasi isa naman siya sa ikaw. Let's hurt and then go. It's station. We have breakfast na rin. 7 AM na yan. Lord, help me sa pag-budget ng ating mission later. Mission Ukay. Patina. Parang Johnny na rin itong ano. Yeah. Parang Johnny style. Wooden context style. Hello. Hindi lang friendly yung ibang staff. But then okay. Greet ka na. Papagod ka na kagig-greet. Hindi sila nag-greet back. Sige. Or hiya lang sila. Nagkasabali ako circa 90 lang. Wait. Yan. May 1 level down pa tayo. Pero okay na yun. Dito na lang tayo. Buti na lang. Room 210. Tapos ito ang breakfast namin. Hindi ko pa rin magayang ginagawa ng kuya sa vlog. Ito na hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Ay, may dumating na parcel. Magkakaloka. Order na tayo. Order natin ang earlier like kahapon. Hindi na mula. Ito ang ganda ng Casaballe Hill Station dining area. Ito ang bumabalot sa Casaballe. Ciao. Good morning, sunshine. Kaya talaga ng avocado. Sa sun today, buti hindi umulan. Kabigyan muna tayo. Avocado nga siya na bilog. Ayan o. May nakita ko nagbibenta sa may session. Hinog na. Hindi nila pinipitas. Ganda ng ating cheesecake flat. This is cute. Is there a restroom? Sige mga nagstay dito. Ay hindi. Pictures of photos of Baguio. Cute naman na nila wallpaper. May sakit sa mga pala. Parking. Ano, yun na yung best sellers mo?
Try nyo rin po itong Bird Pass cheese. Kasi yun po, Canonigo sa
Talaga? Dandap to, tartar at limon. Ito parang lemon cake to, no? Tama ba? Yung tartar limon? Masi-masi. Canonigo. Which is better? The Canonigo or the tartar? It's different. Si Canonigo. Talaga. Kasi may feeling din siya, no?
Yeah. May feeling din naman po.
Ayun. Sige. So, 3.
To be sure, sir, ulit ko na.
Serve muna.
Na nakatubo pa.
Oo, nakatubo ako para...
So, 1 cheesecake flan, 1 deep dark chocolate, then Canonigo.
Sige. Thank you. Gcash na. Mine. Chicken sausage. Okay.
Chicken sausage. Pa-add na rin pala ako ng tapa. Tapsilog.
Ay, next order po.
Oo.
Nag-order ka, Exa? Akala mo yung ano, bacon na bacon, di ba? Smoked kasi na bacon. Ito na yung Canonigo. Saka yung cheesecake flan. Pag pinagsama, braso de Mercedes. Yummy. Let's try it first. Itong Canonigo with the cream. White nga ng ano, braso. Yung cream niya parang evaporated condensed milk. Mix natin with cheesecake flan. Hot. Pagsamahin natin sila. Hot. Yummy. So we're getting our second pair ng LV. Yan naman nililisin na lang. Dapat nga 3,000 na lang yan eh. Sabi mo kay madam mo. Na naman 4th pair na to. Black shoes naman. After nung Caterpillar kanina, tsaka nung isang kang LV, tsaka yung LV kahapon. Here sa stall 209. Anong name mo, te? Anong name mo?
Geraldine.
Oh, si Geraldine nanapin nyo dito. Naka very friendly.
Ma'am, nag-chat po ako sa inyo. Pati ba check na lang ko.
May request po ako pang 4th pair. Dito, ayan. 209, magkatabi sila. Ayan, naka-vlog si Geraldine. Sa
3K daw,
second
sir.
floor. 2.5 na lang ka mo, naka-vlog tayo. Sige na, please. 2.5. Ayan, papayag na siya. 2.5. Geraldine, please.
Hello po.
Hanapin niyo si Geraldine dito sa stall 209.
3K lang talaga.
Baka naman pwedeng 2.5 na. Last ko na kamo yun eh. Tapos naka-vlog na kamo. Meron pang additional magaling sila magbigay ng mga discounts. Kaya tayo naka 4 pairs. Pang-4 na yun. Please kamo, please. Please kamo. Tapos naka-vlog kay Algat Maidan nga mo. Pang 4th na yun. Nakauwi lang ako. Yun na yung pang budget ko sa bag eh. Yay! Konting pilit pa. Buti na lang mabait si Geraldine. Konting pilit pa, Geraldine. Hintayin natin yung yes niya. Yung matamis na yes. Yes ba yan? Yes ba yan? Mag-yes ka.
Nag-reply pa po, sir.
Nagta-type pa. So yes yan ha. I got this bag also.
Wala talaga, sir. 3K daw po talaga.
gourd tsaka
Sorry
ano.
po.
3,000?
Yes po.
Maiyak naman ako. Tingnan natin. Checkout time. Thank you, Casa Vallejo. 3 thumbs up. So, lunch meal before we head back to Manila.